Go ahead, Pathos.
Hello everybody, Clockwork here. Been a while since I made a video again, but here comes another boat one at ya. This boat is called Misfire, and I've had it for, I'd say, since 1994 or so. Here's the top of it. It's been a shelf queen for years, but now I finally got a servo put in. I got an ESC, I got a transmitter, I got a new battery today at Hobbytown. I'm letting this one charge up in the meantime. And yeah, I was just gonna get back at you guys with a video about boats. You know, the fan boat was a ton of fun, but it was you know, out of the box RTR. If you know me, that's not my style. I like to build them from, you know, some kind of mod or something. So this was a Nico boat. Nico was a brand a long time ago. I don't know if they're still doing stuff or not, but they'd have like on-off steering and on-off throttle, so it's kind of not very fun. But this one has a bilge pump, which I just think is great, because as you're running around, it starts shooting water out of this little spout. It's kind of cool. So yeah, this is what it looks like with the lid off. I'm trying to keep it really lightweight because it doesn't handle weight very well, as you know, you'd suspect with a boat. This is the remote I got for a Fly Sky. So now we're gonna have proportional steering, we're gonna have proportional throttle, we're gonna have reverse, you know, and I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'll fire it back up when we get at the lake. See you. Alright, YouTubes, I'm at Lake Prospect with the boat. Yeah, I'm just looking for a good place, but someone's running around the lake on a jet ski crossing this wake. So I'm going to try and find a really kind of wake-free zone. Try and find somewhere where I can dock the boat without, you know, without too much harassment from either ducks or waves. We'll see. Tiny beach over here, but look at these guys. What's up, guys? What's up, birds? Doing that bird thing. Let's see, maybe this is it over here. I'm super excited about running this boat. I mean, I haven't had it for so long. It's been on the shelf. Did a little test in the living room, and it seems super awesome. So I can't wait to give it a shot. Look, we got guys running around. Righteous.
Go ahead, Pathos.
All right, y'all. We're on the water. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, I haven't run this boat around for so long. So excited. Look at her go. Misfire on the water. What a beautiful time this is. Only quarter throttle. Got a huge ESC for the size of the motor, so I don't want to smoke the engine. heaven. I love my boat so much. I'm telling you, it's probably been 7th grade since the last time I drove this thing, and I'm 41, almost 42 years old now. Give it some gas. Pretty good. Pretty good. Maybe a boring vid, but you know, I just want to come out here and hit the wakes and just kind of cruise it around and be in the water. And it's, God, I love it. So it's got a little bilge pump like I was showing you. It's hooked straight to the motor. It's got a little gear drive and shaft and stuff. And it's exciting to see it start working, but I'm not too sad about it not taking on too much water either. It's not a big deal. Gosh, what a cool rig. Oh, I'm in heaven. Really is one of my most favorite RCs I've ever had, because it was one of the first that I had that stuck around with me. And again, sorry for the boring content, but hey, couldn't be more beautiful out here. Running the boat around. Pretty agile for being an old thing too. Just put Lego men on popsicle sticks behind it like skiers. This is real happiness for me, guys. Sit here and cruise my boat. Really, any RCing is just a great time. I'll be real happy though when I see water come out of a bilge pump. Just like that, she's going. God, what a great ride. What a great boat. Again, I hope the content's okay, everybody. I'm really loving this. Hope it translates. Well, I'm going to keep cruising the boat around. I'll have an update whenever the ride's done, and talk to you guys in a minute. Alright, y'all, I'm going to start wrapping this vid up because it's gotten long, but holy cow, I'm so happy about this thing. It's such a great old boat. I got it laying kind of on the side so you can see it. Just fantastic. So people ask, yeah, I got a boat. I got a boat. Don't call it a little ship, it's a yacht. It still has plenty of charge. It's behaving just fine, and boy, I couldn't be happier. It's fun to have an actual propeller boat, you know, instead of the fan boat. The fan boat's pretty cool, but the prop boat, super cool. I may switch it to brushless. I may go with something a little faster, but from what I remember, this thing is dynamite. All right, y'all, I'll catch you later, and you know, stay happy and just, you know, stick with it. Be happy and be healthy. And I love you guys. Talk to you later.